Hi guys, it's Callie from Elements. Today I thought I'd come to you with a preview on a project I'm getting ready to start. I'm actually sitting on the floor in my little studio. Of course, that's Sebastian being a pain, looking through stuff he don't have no business looking at. That's my camera. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do my version of this denim jacket extended that I saw on Pinterest. Oh, let me fix my hair. This is like Brazilian kinky. I put like one complete pack in it, but anyway, that's not the point. This is not a hair video. So I'm going to show you the denim jacket, and then I'm going to extend it by using a couple different pair of denim jeans to make the actual jacket longer. It currently hits me at the waist. Again, I saw this particular jacket on Pinterest. It was going for about $3,000. And it literally was a patchwork denim jacket where it was a regular trucker's kind of hip fit female jacket, and then they added length to it by extending it with actual denim jeans. So I'm going to recreate that same look for myself, just for fun, and see how it comes out. So let me show you what I'm working with. So here is the denim jacket. Okay, again, it hits at the hips. It's got some zippers, some buttons on the sleeve, which I'm going to play off of that with the pockets. The sleeve as well is zippered. You can zip it. All of those are functioning. I'll probably even distress it as well. Okay, I may leave that and then just add some different, so yeah, the pocket's actually only on one side sleeve, so I may add, let's turn it around. Here's the actual back. And again, it's kind of got like a light wash to it. I'm going to be adding, I found some men's jeans in the same wash. I'm going to be adding with the tan stitching. Okay, so let's take a look. So basically you take the back part of the men's jeans and you just keep adding to it. So I picked up two pair of Levi's in two different denim washes. I'm also even going to use the patch. I will probably also incorporate the pockets. Again, I use men's jeans just because they're wider. Because what you want to do is to make sure as you cut the jean, you actually line up where the seam is on the side. Okay, so from side to side, going across this way for this particular jacket, which is there's the other seam there. This jacket is actually a size medium oversized. So what I did is I picked up size 32-inch waist jeans for a man. I measured it in the store just to make sure from seam to seam. Otherwise, you'd have to cut it, alter it, and go through all that. But if you get the right width, it's simply when you cut it down the seam, you can actually just restitch it along the actual same seam line. So it's kind of a shortcut. Then I thought I'd make it interesting, and I picked up these white pair of women's jean shorts. They already have some distressing, which I'll also be using to create patchwork. So again, I'm going to be using the pockets, the belt loops, every single piece of clothing is actually going to be used. And then I also have a few other pairs of denim shorts, which I could also add to it. These are also by Levi. Okay, I don't know if you guys remember the jeans where you cut the actual waist part off. So yeah, I don't know if I'll use the lighter ones. I might just do 2 to 3 different shades versus doing like many different ones. I'm not sure. So I'm going to get it laid out and then see how I like it. But we'll see. That's my project for today. So let's see how I do. See you soon.